what is it, are they ventilated seats or what are they called?
Yeah. Ventilated seats.
That makes a big difference, honestly.
On a hot day like today, yeah.
My back is cold.
Well, was it wet in the first place?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, happy first day of National Hispanic Heritage Month.
Not real.
Sorry, our month is finally here.
Our month?
Yeah.
That's not
Oh,
fucking
okay. My bad. Not the one.
from here. All right, what's up, guys? Today I'm here with my friend Eddie Dominguez. Look at him. Works for Bosch now. It used to be JCI. I used to work for that place. Good place. Great place. Go apply. go apply there. But anyways, we're gonna be reviewing his 2025 Colorado ZR2. How long have you owned this?
It's about 3 months now.
I feel like a car salesman. So something that I really am happy for him about for this truck. When he was a little younger, he didn't have the nicest car. He drove a old Civic. What was the Civic?
I was on the Civic, like 83 or something, shit like that.
83. It was a hatchback too, right?
Piece of shit.
But he said when he made a little more money, he's doing a little bit better in life, he was going to get what he wanted, and this is what he got. So I'm super happy for him. We're going to do a quick review over it and take it for a test drive. So I'm kind of excited. He's actually going to let me drive it. Walking up right now. Just a quick glance at the interior. Chevy emblem. Leather seats. They're heated and cooled, right?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, just overall, just a really nice truck. And, oh, I slammed his door. Get mad.
So we got.
He's just gonna read it straight off this. All right. Anyways, I get inside his truck. Can't reach the pedals. Electric seats. Must be nice. Got a little money, huh?
That's what they say.
Just kidding. Has a big display. It's digital display dash, right? All this digital.
If you open up the door and then close it back, it'll show you the.
Terrible glare. This is, the display is probably worth more than my entire truck put together. Fuck that thing. All the nice new stuff in life. There's no key. Push the brake, start it. Gives you some noise that nobody wants to hear. Alright. Guess we're gonna go ahead and get started with the test drive.
Buckle up.
And he's gonna make me put on my seatbelt. Backup camera. Is it gonna beep if I don't put on my seatbelt?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Is it no Mexican joyride?
Kinda wanna videotape that guy. But who knows if he has a gun or not. Guess his race. Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm for real gonna put my seatbelt on. He's gonna take over the camera.
Watch Jack fumble with the seat.
I can't remember the last time I wore a seatbelt.
Cops, don't worry about what he said. He's just joking around.
Yeah. So, it comes stock with, what is it, 2.5 inch lift?
2.5 inch lift.
17 inch rims, 33 inch tires or 35?
33 inch tires.
33 inch tires? Ride's really smooth, actually. Especially for being lifted.
Can you see over the hood?
Kinda, a little bit.
Okay. I think that was the biggest problem most people said they had was that they couldn't see over the hood easily.
Is that a real thing?
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's bad. Overall, nice truck, though.
You can adjust the seat to make it go up a little bit if you need to, but I mean, for real.
Oh, I thought it was a short joke. All right.
You told me not to make those anymore, so I'm not going to.
What's your fuel economy on this?
Oh, shitty.
Is it bad?
Yeah. So 17 in city and 24 highway, I think it is. But usually I average about 16, 17 on a normal drive.
What'd you have before this?
It was a 2024 Silverado RST.
You traded a new car for a newer car.
Oh, we can cut that out, right?
Can we
we
turn on music?
Yeah.
Let's see.
If you want to listen to my music, I mean,
Hey, can you put on that one song, like, I've Been a Nasty Girl, just so, like, when it turns on, I'll be like,
you want me to?
sure. sure.
Okay. How about this? Hold on, let me find something here.
You know the song I'm talking about? Like, I've been a nasty girl.
Oh, yeah.
Can somebody match my freak?
Oh, let's see.
Have you taken this thing off road at all?
No, not yet.
Are you going to?
Eventually.
Probably not. Let's be real.
I was going to whenever, if I was going to go to the, oh, it was Mr. Turn.
Have you,
Oh, no, I guess it's up there, yeah.
Have you fucked around in it at all?
No, not really. Hold on, I had to lay it hands. It goes into Spangles, get on the, there it is. Well, if I was going to go to the, yeah.
What is this?
Hell yeah.
Oh, you had to edit this out. No, bro, so my demonetize the video.
That's right.
On the highway, ride's pretty smooth?
Yeah. It's not noisy, thanks to, even though it has those big old tires.
Yeah.
So it does pretty well. So we can either go this way or we can go into...
What made you buy this truck?
So I was looking for something smaller, and I didn't need all that much room anymore from that Silverado.
You know, we just hit a big ass bump and it didn't do anything at all.
Yeah. It's kind of weird how you go over speed bumps and you can't really tell anything, but you can look at the car behind you and tell that they almost bottomed out or they're scraping shit. But
Do you work on your own cars?
as much as I can, but I will admit I am not the most mechanically inclined, so...
You could probably fix some shit, I'm sure.
Well, I'm sure, but...
I was going this one.
Yeah, I want to.
I feel like it's probably a nicer one.
Sure.
So I guess while we're inside, Bose speakers, large display, shifter, your knob for 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive, diff lockers, ZR2 emblem on the dash. You can really tell the difference in the seats.
Yeah.
The seats are nice.
Yep.
So it comes stock with running boards.
Yep.
Oh, something else I missed on the inside real quick. Sunroof. Pretty nice. Is it electric?
Yes. So you got that one, and then you got
It's nice. Leather seats. All-weather floor mats. Does it come stock with all-weather floor mats?
No, I think
I think they do. What?
Well, they're supposed to. Every like the Z71 and up are supposed to come with stock with all-weather floor mats, but my dealership decided to be douches and let shoot them on mine. So
You
I
know-
had to buy my own.
There's not a lot of room back here, is there?
No, not
But it's not like too small either.
No, it's comfortable, but it's not the most spacious.
The wheels that we told you about. Multimatic shocks. Rock bar, still rock bar. Running boards. TurboMax emblem on the front. LEDs for headlights. Are you gonna put a winch on it? Probably not. Yeah, fuck helping other people, huh? What is this? This is a front-facing camera?
Yep.
What's that for?
That's for
In case you want to see in the front.
that too. It comes in handy with parking, but it's for the adaptive cruise control.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Tow hooks. Metal bumpers. Oh, plastic.
On the Bison there's metal.
Oh.
But on the front one,
But it has a metal skid plate, right?
yeah.
Steel skid plate. I feel like you should paint that black. Okay, maybe. Don't do it then. Sorry. Fender wells.
shocks on it, so it's just like that.
Yeah.
And this one,
Is that metal?
that's metal.
Spare tire? Don't some of them have a spare tire in the back?
Those are the Bisons,
Bisons, okay.
which is very inconvenient.
Why's that?
You can't see behind you because it's like a spare tire is
Yeah.
mounted up on your window.
So your spare tire's underneath?
Yeah.
Nice truck. This kind of cool feature. Storage. Have you seen some people put ice in these?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you gonna do it?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah. It's not cool anyways.
No, exactly.
Spraying bed liner. What is this called?
Roll bar.
What?
Roll bar.
Roll bar? Is that what it is?
R-O-L-L.
Is that what it is though? Okay, come stock with the roll bar.
Well, not stock.
Not stock?
This was a special one.
You what?
This one was a special one.
Oh, really? Light bar? You put the light bar on? No. I mean, yeah, turn it on. It'd be cool. But yeah, turn it on.
No, I didn't ask for it. This one came with
Be a lot cooler at night, but still cool now. Overall, just a super nice truck. Honestly, I'm just happy for him. Happy he got it. He got the truck he wanted. But definitely, if you like boys, this truck's not for you. Anyways, just want to do a quick review, a quick drive in the truck. So as always, hopefully this helps somebody out. Any comments below are appreciated. Anyways, we're out. Have you turned it on at night?
No.